The 2025 McLaren Motorhome is probably a unique idea or a customized modification that does not currently exist as an official product, given McLaren Automotive does not produce RVs. As a result, the 2025 McLaren Motorhome does not have a standard external design. But we can imagine what the outside of a McLaren-based motorhome may look like, fusing the brand's iconic design aspects with a camper's utility. Given McLaren's history as a maker of high-performance sports cars, the motorhome's exterior would probably have futuristic and aerodynamic designs. Motivated by radical concepts like the Senna or Elva, or even cars like the McLaren Artura and 720S, the motorhome body will probably follow McLaren's concept of employing lightweight materials, such carbon fiber, to save weight and boost economy. Aggressive metallic and matte hues, as well as classic McLaren hues like papaya orange and McLaren orange, will probably be available for the exterior. Another source of influence may be McLaren's vintage race livery. The external style of a motorhome will probably be more fluid and low-slung rather than the typical boxy appearance, attempting to preserve the McLaren sports car's ground-hugging design features. The front splitter, side skirts, rear diffuser, and other aerodynamic components will all have carbon fiber accents. High-performance tires and sporty-looking, lightweight alloy wheels will be standard. Dihedral doors, sometimes known as butterfly doors, or other unusual door designs may be taken into consideration for dramatic entrance given McLaren's flair. The installation of back and side windows that complement the McLaren style. A roof that could be built with solar panels integrated seamlessly. Storage spaces with an aerodynamic shape for baggage or camping equipment. With bucket seats offering optimal support and an ergonomic seating posture, the interior design may have been influenced by the cockpit of a race vehicle. Alcantara, premium leather, carbon fiber, and McLaren's renowned contrast stitching are all used extensively in these lightweight, high-performance materials. A layout that prioritizes key operations while being lightweight and efficient. A bed, a dining/living space, a small kitchen with a stove, sink, and refrigerator, and a bathroom, including a toilet and a shower. Intelligent storage made to make the most of available space for travel or sporting goods. Technology integration, LED illumination, an entertainment system, and controllers for different operations. Superior technology incorporation of an advanced touchscreen infotainment system, maybe including an interface modeled after McLaren. Modern networking and a high-end audio system. Certain conversions could incorporate McLaren car-inspired design aspects, such the use of certain hues and materials.